What statistics quantify the momentum swing of basketball turnovers? Imagine a game where one team suddenly starts scoring rapidly after forcing a few turnovers. That shift in energy is what we call a momentum swing. To understand how turnovers cause these shifts, we need to look at some key statistics. First up is the turnover differential. This is the difference between the number of turnovers your team commits and the number your opponent commits. If your team has fewer turnovers, you usually have more scoring chances and better control of the game. A positive turnover differential often means your team is gaining momentum. Conversely, if your team has more turnovers, it can lead to the opponent gaining confidence and scoring runs. Next is the assist-to-turnover ratio. This shows how many assists a player makes for every turnover they commit. A high ratio, like 3 assists for every turnover, indicates good decision-making and ball control. It helps keep the team moving smoothly and prevents giving away easy scoring opportunities. Then, there's the turnover rate. This is the percentage of a team's possessions that end in a turnover. A lower turnover rate means the team is more efficient with the ball and less likely to give the opponent a chance to score. When a team forces turnovers, it not only gets extra possessions but also disrupts the opponent's rhythm. This often leads to quick scores and a shift in momentum. Defensive players who excel at forcing turnovers are making a direct impact on the game beyond just points or rebounds. Coaches often track these stats during game film sessions to see how individual efforts contribute to team success. When a team strings together several forced turnovers, they often turn those into fast breaks and easy baskets. This creates a visible momentum swing on the scoreboard. These sequences are reflected in stats by periods where turnovers are high and scoring surges follow. So, in simple terms, the main statistics that show how turnovers influence momentum are the turnover differential, assist-to-turnover ratio, and turnover rate. Players who can reduce their own turnovers and force more on defense are directly affecting the game's flow. These stats help coaches and players see how defensive pressure can turn the tide in a game.